In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, search, and recover archived emails in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you've accidentally archived an important email or simply want to revisit messages you've stored away, it's straightforward once you know where to look. So let's dive into this Gmail journey together. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that. Look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Once everything's set, you'll find yourself back on the Google homepage, but this time signed in with access to all your Google services. Next up is Gmail. On the Google homepage, locate the Google Apps icon. It looks like a square made of 9 smaller dots, usually positioned in the top right corner. Click on that and then select Gmail from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can type mail.google.com directly into the address bar and hit enter. Once in Gmail, you're going to land on your Gmail dashboard, which typically opens to your inbox. Now, to locate your archived emails, you will want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you see your folders and categories. Scroll down and find More and give it a click if it isn't already expanded. From the list that appears, you are going to select All Mail. This is key because the All Mail folder houses every single email you have, including archived ones. Now, once you are in the All Mail folder, this is where a simple search can come in handy. If you recall specific keywords or details about the email you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to type in those details and Gmail will do the rest. Once you've located the specific email you wish to recover, you'll need to move it back to your inbox. To do this, right-click on the email. A list of options will appear and you'll want to choose Move to Inbox. This action will shift the email from the archived state back into your regular inbox, ensuring it's readily accessible next time you need it. And there you have it, your quick guide to finding, searching, and recovering archived emails in Gmail. With this newfound knowledge, you can save yourself from any accidental archiving mishap, or simply revisit those important messages whenever the need arises. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.